This 100-watt power bank is a powerhouse of portable charging designed for those who need reliable energy on the go. With a massive 26,800 milliamp hour capacity, this power bank can easily keep your devices charged throughout a busy day, whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just need a backup power source. The standout feature is the 100-watt USB-C port, which delivers impressive charging speeds, particularly for power-hungry devices like the MacBook Pro. You can expect to get 50% charge on a 16-inch MacBook Pro in just 40 minutes, which is seriously fast. One of the biggest advantages of this power bank is its versatility. It's equipped with 4 output ports, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A, allowing you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. This means you can charge your laptop, tablet, smartphone, and another gadget all at once without any issues. The pass-through charging feature is also a big plus, letting you charge both the power bank and your devices at the same time, so you're never left waiting. On the downside, this is a chunky power supply which might be cumbersome for some users. While it's compact enough to fit into a backpack, it's not exactly pocket-sized, which is understandable given the large capacity. Overall, the imuto 100-watt power bank offers a robust and versatile charging solution. If you're someone who needs help to keep multiple devices powered up throughout the day, this is a solid choice. It's not the lightest option out there, but its power and reliability more than make up for it.